to show you what I mean by going into my own blog. So the blog format and the podcast format database are actually the same. So you'll see, you can tell it's the same by this little pen mark. So you'll have one that says podcast. We're going to click on this. And then here's where all the posts are. Now the excerpt is kind of tough to find, so hopefully this helps. You'll click these three dots, you'll go to settings. And then here under content, you'll see an excerpt. And this is where that data is for you. Now, whenever we pull a summary block, it basically pulls whatever we tell it to. So for example, I'll go to my homepage here so you can kind of get an idea. So this here I have is a summary block on the bottom. If I double click this, you'll be able to see it's selecting from my blog page, which is what you showed me in that loom. And then if I go to design, I can either disable the excerpt or enable it. So if I enable it, you can see it here. So one way to sort of just disable that excerpt is just to go to that summary block right on the page and then just disable this. Another way is to actually go into your podcast database and remove the excerpt. So totally up to you, whichever one you want to do. Both of those will achieve what you're going for. So I hope that helps.